So Ezra built his tower using blocks, and he's gonna knock them out with a pumpkin. You ready, Ezra? Ready?
Yay!
Oh, so close, Ezra. Try again.
Let's go.
Ezra! What happened?
No. Ow!
You okay?
Ouch.
Ezra, use the pumpkin. Let's build another tower again, okay?
Hey, Ezra.
Huh?
Let's see the table.
You see, good job, Ezra.
She making?
He is building a tower.
She making shower?
Yeah, he's making a big tower.
She making pumpkin?
He's gonna knock it out with a pumpkin.
With a pumpkin.
You okay, Ezra? Bless you. Okay, Ezra, you ready? Let's grab the pumpkin one more time.
One time.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2. Oh!
Ow!
Let's build another one again. What happened, Ezra? Ezra, use your words.
Not me.
You have to use your words.